What is a content agency? A content agency can generate $30,000 to $40,000 per month with just a handful of clients. In fact, I went from 0 to 93.5K a month in 15 months with my own content agency. But here's the thing, most people have no idea what a content agency actually is or how it works. So in this video, I'm gonna break down exactly what a content agency does, how it makes money, and why it's the perfect online business model for beginners in 2025. So to start a content agency, most people think this is just a video editing business, but that couldn't be further from the truth. I know many content agency owners who don't know how to edit at all themselves, but what they do know how to do is hire video editors to handle that segment of the workload. But you never want to only offer video editing. You always want to add other things on top so you can promise an ROI to your clients. ROI stands for return on investment. Because if you're only doing the video editing, you can't go up to your client and say, I'm going to get you 30 sales calls a month. You're going to close 5 clients every single month. You can't do that. So what you need to add on top of the editing is strategy. Now this applies if you're selling Instagram Reels, YouTube videos, but you need to be the one who comes up with the ideas and the strategy for your clients.